This is Santa Rosa, California. The fall breeze is drifting through the city, and tonight everything feels a little more magical. From the drone's view, the streets glow in shades of red, blue, and purple, each house shining with its own Halloween spirit. You can almost hear the laughter of little trick or treaters echoing through the nights. These decorated homes, the warm pumpkin lights, and this joyful atmosphere remind us that no matter where life takes us, the celebration within us never fades. Tonight, we take you closer into the heart of Santa Rosa's Halloween, a journey of fun, family, and the small moments that become memories. Welcome to Devaalaya, where every journey becomes a story and every story becomes memory.
Oh, trick or treat gareko. What is that? Let's go another house. हाम्रो आरम्भ यहाँ छ pumpkin-मा. आरम्भ के हो यो? Halloween ho? Okay, you go here. Say trick or treat. Yeah. Say happy Halloween. Thank you guys. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Look at this small cart. Ooh, smoky, smoky.
Come play with it. It's not
Smoky,
bubble नै होइन
smoky.
के यो
Huh?
बबल नै होइन बबल होइन के यो तपाईँ होइन त त्यो
Look at this, Havana. Ooh, you look like a.
कति बबल्समा चिन
No, bubble धुवा आउँदो रहेछ
यो बबल नै होइन के
हैन?
I can see nothing. What is magic?
Look at this, यहाँ movie लगाएर रहेछ. Happy Halloween. Grab candies, guys. No candies? Okay, that should be over there. Arma. Ian. Happy Halloween.
There you go. You want to
Arma. Oh, astronaut, astronaut. Look at this.
There we go.
Emma, look at this astronaut dress. Astronaut Halloween. You see that? Oh my god.
Oh, nice pumpkin.
Thank you. Oh, there are two dresses. Okay. Arma, त्यहाँबाट हेर त पुग्लुक पुग्लुक हेर ल.
Look at here. अलि तल Oh, there's it.
Yeah.
Aban, look at here.
All right. Happy Halloween भन्दै जाऊ. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Here's the candies. Here. Aban, grab the candies.
यो पनि हाम्रो देउसी भैलो जस्तो घर घरमा जाने अनि यहाँ क्यान्डीहरू राखिदिएर हुन्छ अनि उठाएर लिएर आउने हो. सो अलि चाँडै भइरहेछ. अब ठिकै होला. वेदर त राम्रो छ आज. थ्याङ्क यू भन्नुपर्छ आरम्भ.
म त अब यतैबाट जाने हो तेर्सो
Wait, तिनीहरू खै त हराउँछ.
खै नानी त्यही अर्केको अर्कै हुनु आरम्भ अगाडि अगाडि जाँदैछ.
आरम्भ ट्रिक ट्रिट भन्दै जाऊ. यहाँ हजुर यहाँ चाहिँ के भन्छ यसलाई ह्याट ह्याट ल्याम्प रहेछ. डिङ डोङ डिङ डोङ. Grab one. What do you say? Aramba, what do you say? Thank you. It's kind of, thank you. This is beautiful decoration.
Oh no. My dad. My dad made me. Here.
Right there.
It's outside.
Right there. Yeah. Euta leo, euta. Mini cheese balls. Yeah. Say thank you. Happy Halloween. Yeah. Okay. Avana, grab one. Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah. Even there's nobody, you have to say thank you.
Buy a unicorn container parts so bad when I was a kid.
Yeah, they should have them.
Okay. M&M's, M&M's. Oh, only one. Only one. हाम्रो पर्सनको गर्लफ्रेन्ड र पर्सन चाहिँ यहाँ अनि यहाँलाई नकुर्ने यताबाट ऊ त्यो पारीको पुरानो टोलहरूमा पनि ठुल्ठुलो हुन्छ नि त्यहाँ डेकोरेसनहरू It's a 6:35 guys. अँध्यारो भइसक्यो क्यामेरामा मात्रै उज्यालो आएको हो ओ चन्द्रमा त्यहाँ माथि छ
Oh yeah, no. Yeah.
Yeah, you go ahead. There's some candy. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. भन्दै जानुपर्छ छोरा. Yeah. Oh, toothy roll. What is that? Toothside roll. Okay, grab it. Your favorite one. Say thank you. Ow, Abana.
Tootsie roll.
Oh, Abana को necklace पनि राम्रो रहेछ. Tootsie roll. Wow, nice decoration. Trick or treat, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Go ahead, Aramba. Go grab one candy.
Take two.
Sit. Look at this pumpkin bag.
I like it. How about one more?
So thank
you
you.
go.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Hello.
सानो लाइब्रेरी रहेछ
अङ्कल र आन्टी के भन्छ अरे चक्लेट बाँड्दाको हैरान हुनुहुन्छ
किन त्यता जाने यता जाने नि अब यो सकिसक्यो उतापट्टि दुई चारवटा घर हो छ तर यता जाने नि
अहिले जानु त्यतै त नैनादीहरुसँग भेट हुन्छ कि भनेर के
कसरी भेट हुन्छ उहाँहरू यता आउँदै हुन्छ
त्यही त यहाँ भेट हुन्छ कि भन्छ
Hey, you guys go here. Yeah, don't get scared. Right here. Oh my God. Bhutai bhoot. Yes. Remember? Just one. Skittles. Yes. Avana, what do you grab? Okay. Say thank you. Thank you, spider. Look at this. Big spider. You see that? छक्क परेछ आराममा छक्क परेछ ल guys ल you have 2 more hours 2 घण्टा बाँकी छ यतिले हुन्छ कहाँ जानु लाग्यो त प्रश्न
किन यहाँ भयो
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Grab one candy, guys.
Papa, do you want to get candy?
One, okay? I don't
Grab
know
one.
one. Okay.
Where's the year? Alright, guys. Here, look at this. अहिले गर्छ अहिले त्यहाँ पुगेपछि त्यहाँ टच गर्न
If you want to try these lip balms, yeah, these evil witch.
Look at this. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Devaalaya also.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Deepavali. यो हाम्रो रमिता बहिनीको घर अङ्कल आन्टी हुनुहुन्छ ह्याप्पी हलोविन ह्याप्पी हलोविन अङ्कल नमस्ते नमस्ते थ्याङ्क यू अङ्कल जाउँ आउनु Happy Halloween. Please take one piece of candy. Alright, please take one piece of candy. Only one.
Okay?
Yeah. Mots. Mots.
Au baba, au.
Hey, say thank you. तिमीले thank you भन्दैनौ? लास्ट इयर चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै दीपावली लक्ष्मी पूजाको दिन परेको थियो हलोविन यो साल चाहिँ लक्ष्मी पूजा अलि अगाडि भइसक्यो हाम्रो अहिले आज छ अब यहाँ हलोविन पोहोर साल त निकै घुमायो हामीले 2, 2.5, 3 घन्टा अब यसपालि चाहिँ वी आर नट गोइङ द्याट फार यही कम्युनिटीमा गर्ने अनि जाने घर फोकस 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 Grab one candy. Okay. Say thank you. Happy Halloween. There. Look at this. Police officer.
Xavier, come on.
Irma, go grab it.
Wait in line. Come on. Xavier, candy in time. Come on. Come on. One to go.
Oh, yeah, हेर. Scary. Happy. Oh, कति राम्रो भएर बस्यो. Oh. Wine bottle पनि रहेछ.
Hello, Sticken. You want a candy too?
Awesome.
Happy Halloween. Candy too?
You guys say thank you, okay?
You're very welcome.
Thank you. त्यो घरको चाहिँ आँखा छ त्यहाँ आई बल्स जाने अब जाँदासम्म जान सकिन्छ Ian, where are you walking? How यता
इयानको उसको साथी स्कुलको साथीजना खेल्ने भनिरहेको थियो कि एकछिन अनि त्यो प्ले डेटमा
Oh, he went already here? Alright guys, happy Halloween.
I'm sorry, they are right there.
We're going that way now.
I give you a reason.
We just came from there.
Yeah, they're going the same way again.
It's all good. It's too dark.
Okay, let's go.
Look at this.
Mr. Raven.
Wow.
This I take you away. Come on.
Is that a real man inside?
Top of the tree.
Like your costume?
Happy Halloween.
You guys can have more.